Guys, good to be back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you can reset the MMI system of an Audi. This one is an A5 2018. I think these are the 2017 till 22 building year models. We had a problem with the MMI system, lagging system of the navigation. We had no sound and it went on and off, so the screen was going on and off. After doing some research on internet and calling the service or the dealer, they told me about this trick and I wanted to share it with you. First of all, doesn't matter if you have the ignition on, off, or the engine running. What you need to do is gonna use these buttons over here, these two buttons and this button. The trick is to press them up and simultaneously press this button for about 3 seconds, and you'll see after 3 seconds that the screen will go blank. So 1, 2, 3, and after you release it, you'll see that the screen goes black and the MMI system will restart. This helped me with a frozen screen and the lagging system of the navigation. I hope it will also help you with your problem with an MMI system of this type. After doing this, my problems were cleared, so I hope it helped you. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care.